Hi, Lucy. So, just got two little things for you today in this one. So, we've got that strumming pattern, that little. Which kind of makes it a little bit more percussive, as we were saying. In other words, it kind of has the effect that drums would have. It makes the rhythm nice and choppy, right? So, there was that. And then there was Senorita, right? Which I want to record a nice slow version to play along with, and then you can get it faster and faster. Okay, and you've got it written down in the notes there as well. So, okay, so the chord progression for Senorita then: A minor, C, F, well, F major 7, E minor, and G. And the E minor and G last half as long as the other chords do. Okay, so with this one then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's on the third. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see where I'm landing? It's about there, right? So it should feel natural. You shouldn't be, bending yourself out of shape. So nice and steady, or fast if you like. So I'm just going to play Senorita chord progression twice with that strumming pattern. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. And again, A minor. Okay, so nice and easy, nice and steady, okay? And again, it should all be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Even with this, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And again, if you miss or hit ones that you didn't mean to, that's no problem at all. That's just a variation. It's not really even anything you'd call a mistake. Okay, it just makes it a bit more interesting, okay? As long as the movement stays going, that's what's really important. Which ones you hit or miss, as long as it keeps chugging along, it doesn't matter all that much. What really matters is that the general rhythm keeps moving along. Okay, so Senorita is about, the original recording is about 120 BPM, right? So it's like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it back down to 80 and play the melody twice in a row. I don't think it actually does happen twice in a row in the actual recording, but for the sake of practice, that's what we'll do. Okay, so this is what 80 BPM sounds like. And I want to see if you can try, get a metronome on some kind of a device. You know yourself, you can just go to the App Store, Play Store, download a free metronome, no problem. So I'm starting off at 80 BPM. I want to see if you can get up to 120, okay? So here's 80, and then I'll tell you how to get up to 120, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Okay, well, so one doesn't really run into the other. So let's just do it one more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so that's pretty slow. Which doesn't mean it's easy necessarily, because that means you have to be really controlled about it. So here's what 120 sounds like. Okay, so there's 120, and here's what 160 sounds like. Okay, so what I want you to do is once you have it at 80, okay, have it nice and steady, everything right, picking down, up, none of this down, because you might be able to do down, down, down at 80 BPM. So 80 BPM is probably slow enough that you can do that, but you won't be able to do it at 120. So get into the habit early of going down, up, down. Even when you're going this kind of speed, up, down, up, down, up, down. Like those little runs there, da 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 da, the fast bits. Make sure you're going down, up, down, up, down on that. Okay, so see how you get on with that, all right? Start off at 80, then bring it up to 85, same thing. Then 90, then 95. Just bit by bit by bit. And you'll be surprised how quickly you get up to 120, and it's a really fun one to play once you do that. So that and... that stuff as well. All right, keep it up. See you next time.